Hey everyone, okay, so it's rare for me to do a video on a product that breaks me out. Now, I've tested lots of products over the years and some of them have broke me out and I've said nothing. The reason I say nothing is because something that breaks me out might not necessarily break you out. And when something breaks you out, you tend to have quite a negative reaction to it. So that's why I don't tend to say anything, because everybody's skin is different. And like I said, if it breaks me out, it may not break you out. This product for me was different because I couldn't work out what was causing the breakouts that I was experiencing. And it never occurred to me that it was this. Now, the product in question is CeraVe, and this is their Blemish Control Cleanser. Now, it contains 2% salicylic acid and all the other beneficial things that can help people with breakouts. So here's what happened. I bought this cleanser, and I don't have it here because I got rid of it, but I decant everything into a much bigger one that's in my bathroom, so I can just pump it in and wash my face. And everything was fine for a few days. Then I started to notice I got a little spot. I'll zoom in, I don't know how well you'll see it, but it was right here. The spot is actually still there, though it's going, and I can feel it, but it's left that red mark. That spot developed into a really beauty of a spot. Then I started to break out on the top of my cheekbone here. Now, this area here for me is called the irritation zone. When I use a new product and it irritates my skin and breaks me out, this isn't an area I normally break out. So I know that it's from a product I'm using that's causing it to be irritating and just not suit my skin. But because this is a cleanser, it didn't occur to me because most of the time it's not in contact with your skin very long. So I developed a spot here, then I developed a few here, and then this one got very lonely, and around about 4 or 5 more came, and the marks of them, and they're just going now, are still prevalent, or still on my face, put it that way. And I couldn't work out what was causing it because I hadn't used anything different on my face in terms of what I put on it. Then I thought, could it be the cleanser? So I stopped using it and they started to go away. Everybody's skin is different. Now, what I'd like is if those of you who have used this product and have a very beneficial take on it, please leave your comments. It's important that everybody gets an accurate representation of a product. This one didn't work for me, but if it's working for you, make sure you please leave a comment, because then people can say, actually, look, this really is very good for me. It's controlled the oil, or it's reduced breakouts, whatever it is. But for me, it wasn't. It was causing me problems. Now, whether it was just irritation or it was clogging pores, I don't know, I cannot say. But the moment I stopped using it, my skin started to calm down and the breakouts are now starting to reduce. I never would have thought it was a cleanser. Cleansers, most of the time, are pretty innocuous because they're rinsed off very quickly. So they're not on the skin long enough to cause harm. And I was using this as a second cleanse. So I would do my first cleanse, which is an oil-based one. It's my favorite cleanser in the world. I'll do a video on it. It's amazing. But after that, I then just rinse my face with another cleanser, hence the CeraVe one. And I was just not happy. It did not like my skin. Now, I've used lots of CeraVe products before and had no issues whatsoever, including their cleansers. This is the first one. So, very negative experience. But I'm only mentioning it, like I said, because I couldn't work out what it was, because I just couldn't believe it could be a cleanser that could clog pores. So here's the deal. If you love this product, please leave some comments, because I'd like to see people who did have a beneficial time. If you've used this product and it clogged your pores or caused you issues, leave a comment. And leave a comment on cleansers, just for my own knowledge, that have caused you problems in the past, because lots of Google searches and talking to dermatologists, it turns out that cleansers really can cause a lot of problems for a lot of people. And this is one of them. What a beaut of a time I've had. Now I've got to wait for these to fully go and, of course, fade away. Joyous. Thanks for watching. See you all soon. Bye-bye.